Alright, y'all, welcome back to another one. Today, we got chills. We got the 5 scary videos filmed by Doorbell. I'm about to say DoorDash. Doorbell camera. Before we get into the video, make sure y'all hit the note and subscribe. Let's go ahead and check it out.
5. What you're looking at is Santa Clarita, California during the tick fire of 2019.
Santa Clara 2019.
The homeowner writes, the fire had just started and within minutes it surrounded our home.
That's crazy. Like, look at the freaking fire.
People were evacuated
buildings
only minutes
back there.
before the fire approached.
What the heck is all that right there? Is that the fire burning from over there?
Los Angeles
That's when
Magazine
that's when the
reports
stuff
that the
was
tick
hot,
fire burnt through several thousand acres and forced mass evacuation of some 40,000 people. Luckily, no one was hurt in this video, and this family's home was miraculously saved. Number 4. It's everyone's worst nightmare, a home intruder breaking in the middle of the night.
How you breaking in?
Hey, what do you need?
That's the homeowner's voice. This homeowner said he thought one of his son's friends was trying to get into the garage,
What do you need?
but then the man came into the house.
Hey, what do you need, dude?
Oh, I didn't mean to run into your house.
Who the f*** are you?
What the heck?
Go it. Robbie.
The homeowner doesn't know how far the man entered into his house.
Where is he at?
Somebody's got the back door, dude. Yo,
How you get in?
for real.
Somebody unlocked
He
the
ran out
door?
the front door to try and cut the man off, but he was gone.
I am not joking, dude.
I know, I see the light. Oh, look.
Number 3.
That's crazy.
You can probably guess that this guy's not a construction worker. He peers inside to see if anyone's home. Then he knocks again. He's looking a bit anxious. He tries to force the door. Notice he does so with a glove, no prints.
How?
Finally satisfied that the home is empty, he waves over his partner in crime. Then he calls someone on the radio.
How they be doing it? But it's like, what does it look like? What does it look like from the camera? Don't they know it's a camera right there, or it was like something small? Like, what's that camera look like? Because if it's blatantly there, and you ain't got no mask on blocking your face, and you trying to break in, make that make sense. I mean, they gonna find you easy. Most of it don't make no sense because your face be right there in the camera. I never understood that. Why is a person don't even think there's a freaking
His partner arrives.
camera watching?
Armed with the
Big
tools
buddy.
to break in. In short order, they try and force the door. But their plan is soon thwarted.
Get away from the door.
The homeowner was alerted on their phone and confronted the men through their doorbell camera, chasing them away. And triggering an alarm.
Damn. Hey, man, like, what are you even doing?
Number 2. Would you open the door if the police came dressed like this? These 2 suspicious men are trying to pull one over on this homeowner.
Please.
They're knocking at 3 in the morning.
Bruh, 3 a.m.
When they finally
Me not-
speak, they claim to be from
3 a.m. You think I'm really gonna open the door, especially if I know somebody ain't coming from somewhere, they ain't telling me that they at the door. And if it was police, they would have said something. You would have seen some lights or something. Really? Come on, bro.
CPD or Columbus Police Department.
CPD, open up. We need to ask you a couple questions.
I don't think he's wearing that
Smoking
mask
crack?
because he's sick. He tries again.
And they got a whole crowd looking at you.
At last, he gets an answer.
Can I help you?
CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions.
Buddy, I can see you. You're not no CTP. Buddy.
I'm sorry?
CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions. May you please step to the front door, please?
Obviously, the homeowner knows what's going on, but these guys are oblivious. They get into position.
CPD.
Yes, this is CPD. We would like you to step to the door, please.
Meanwhile, the homeowner has called the cops.
Can I see a badge?
We would like you to step to the door, please, sir. I don't have to show you my badge, sir.
Okay, give me a second.
Okay.
According to city data, Columbus, Ohio has a crime rate 1.3 times higher than the US average.
God damn.
There were 641 burglaries per 100,000 residents in 2019.
Trying to hide. Trying to have the big dudes that then he'll pull up from behind with the gun. We gonna do the police gonna do freaking
They try
popping up.
knocking again.
CPD, open the door.
Little do they know, the real CPD is on the way. Finally, they give up, and they walk away empty-handed. Number 1. A tornado tore through Kentucky, and this doorbell camera bore witness. If you don't think what you're seeing deserves the number 1 spot, then listen to this.
We need to get that footage from what's happening. Well, probably it's done now. But what happened over there in Florida with the hurricane? Them hurricanes, crazy. It's just the water flooding.
This has been Documented Reality. Thank you to these individuals for...
What the heck? Hey, that's crazy, man. But hey, they y'all like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next one.